Hello, class. I am making a little add-on video to the class to give you a resource to how to do an APA paper correctly as far as formatting goes. This will assist you in your final paper and papers going forward in the 505 and 506 class. So what I'm going to do is share my screen with you and show you one of my past papers that I've written that has correct formatting, and then I'm also going to show you what the Purdue OWL APA paper looks like, so that hopefully that will help you. So give me 1 second. Okay, so now that you are seeing this, let me make it big for you. So at the top is the header. It says running head in all lowercase. And then in all caps is a shortened version of your title. So for this, it was a journal about cognitive behavioral therapy for me. But for you, it could say, final paper or whatever you would want to write. And then there are ways to mess with the header on Word. You can do a different first page so that then when you scroll down, you don't have to have running head anymore, but you have it all in caps, the title again, okay? And then every page has the title and the page number on the right side. To be able to do the page number, you click on the page number thing, and you'll be able to mess with it. So let me show you. I think you go to, document elements, and then when you go to page number, it'll ask you what you want, and you can click top of page header, right, and then it will put it on there for you. So then once you do that, on about, that changed. On about middle way through your first page, the title page, you'll have your full title, double space, your name, double space, K-State University. And then that's all you need. And then you don't have to do an abstract like the sample APA paper says, just because I don't need an abstract. I know what you guys are writing about, so that's fine. And then you kind of you do a header for your first paragraph, and you just go into it. And from then on, you just want to make sure that you have clear and concise headings for when you start talking about a different topic. For this paper, I only talked about one thing, and so I didn't use any different headers. But when you do that, besides the first page, or the second page, technically first page that you're writing on, you have the title at the top and then the heading in the middle. But then after that, you can do them either on the side or in the middle. I actually don't know which way is correct, and I will count either of them. Now the second part for your references, this one, so I'm gonna take it back to what it can usually look like. So when you first get into it, this is like what it would usually look like. But the ways to make it correctly for APA, you want to highlight it. For me, it's double click just to make this pop up, and then you go down to the paragraph. And then once this page pops up, you click on the special, and you want to make it hanging. Okay, so then once it's hanging, that will make it formattingly correct. And then you want to double space it. And then it looks like that, which is correct. And you do all of your references like that. You don't have to put numbers next to them technically APA wants them in alphabetical order. Since I only have one, it's just at the top of the page. So that is what the formatting for the APA paper that I'm looking for looks like. Now, Purdue OWL, their paper looks a little bit different, but I'm going to go ahead and show you what that looks like too. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen with you to show you the Purdue OWL paper. So again, running head with the title in all caps, and then they have two titles. You only need to have one, the name and then the state university. Ignore this, you don't need that. Ignore the abstract, again, you don't need that. Then, like I said, title in all caps, the first header or the name of your paper in lower caps, and then your first title, and then you just go straight into your paper. And then as you can see, there's another little title where this paper is talking about a literature review. We scroll down, we can see another title, and then within this one there's other different brackets, and so they did it like that, which is fine. And then these are the references, which again are hanging and double spaced, and yeah, that's what that looks like. And again, you can access this anytime by going to, you can Google Purdue OWL APA sample paper, and it will pop up for you. And if you have any questions about how to get somewhere through a shortcut, you can Google that, or you can email me. I'm happy to help you guys with formatting, because I got an email from one of the students, and yes, we are taught in our high school, well, I was at least, and this student could relate to that, that MLA is the formatting that we're always going to be doing. But in all reality, any research paper that you do that needs to have references is going to be APA formatted. So with that being said, this is something that is worth committing to memory and knowing how to do it really well. So I look forward to reading your papers, and if you are having any trouble with anything or you just need assistance, please reach out. I am happy to help, and I hope that you guys are staying warm because it is frigid out there. Okay, bye.